Welcome back to My Crazy Quiz. Today's challenge is all about opposite words. Think fast, answer quickly, and don't forget to subscribe to My Crazy Quiz. Which option shows the opposite meaning of hot? Answer is cold. Excellent guessing. Tell the opposite of the word happy. Hit subscribe and enjoy learning. Sad. Guess the correct opposite word of fast. Slow. Choose the opposite of light. Time is running out. Hurry. Heavy. From the options, choose the opposite of tall. Short. You are doing great! Pick the word that means the opposite of easy. Hard. Guess the opposite of strong. Subscribe for more fun videos. Weak. What option is the opposite of open? Close. What word means the opposite of early? Late. Your answers are perfect. Keep guessing. What is the opposite word of rich? Poor. Which option shows the opposite meaning of dry? Wet. You look very smart. Tell the opposite of the word clean. Time is running out. Hurry. Dirty. Your answers are perfect. Keep guessing. Guess the correct opposite word of inside. Outside. Choose the opposite of soft. Hard. Subscribe now for more fun. From the options, choose the opposite of old. New. Pick the word that means the opposite of laugh. Time is running out. Hurry. Cry. Which option shows the opposite meaning of pool? Hush. Subscribe to My Crazy Quiz now. What option is the opposite of huge? Tiny. What is the opposite of buy? Sell. You are doing great! What is the opposite word of win? Lose. Excellent. Opposite expert. Well done. You completed the easy level and each right answer you got 3 stars. Let's move on to medium level. Which option shows the opposite meaning of beautiful? Time is running out. Hurry. Ugly. You are doing great! Which of the following is the antonym of love? Hate. What option is the opposite of sweet? Bitter. Subscribe for more fun videos. Tell the opposite of the word brave. Cowardly. Select the correct opposite of noisy. Quiet. You are doing great. Quick, what's the opposite of long? Short. Your answers are perfect. Keep guessing. Guess the opposite of better. Subscribe now for more fun. Worse. What is the opposite word of friendly? Hostile. Identify the opposite of the word bright. Dark. You are doing great. Pick the word that means the opposite of alive. Dead. Pick the word that means the opposite of accept. Time is running out. Hurry. Reject. You look very smart. Guess the correct opposite word of deep. Shallow. Subscribe for more fun videos. Busy is the word. What would be its opposite? Idle. You are doing great. Choose the opposite of above. Under. Your answers are perfect. Keep guessing. From the options, choose the opposite of sharp. Dull. Excellent. Opposite expert. Find the opposite of thick. Thin. Subscribe to MyCrazyQuiz now. Can you guess the opposite of wide? Time is running out. Hurry. Narrow. You are doing great. Which of the following is the antonym of truth? Lie. What is the opposite word of teach? Learn. Your answers are perfect. Keep guessing. Select the correct opposite of quiet. Noisy. Hit subscribe and enjoy learning. Wow, you just passed medium level. Count your stars and get ready for hard level. Which option shows the opposite meaning of begin? Time is running out. Hurry. Finish. Excellent. You look very smart. Which of the following is the antonym of give? Take. Your answers are perfect. Keep guessing. What option is the opposite of future? Past. Subscribe to MyCrazyQuiz now. Tell the opposite of the word kind. Rude. You are doing great. Select the correct opposite of expand. Shrink. Subscribe now for more fun. Quick, what's the opposite of arrive? Leave. Ready for next one. Guess the opposite of adult. Child. What is the opposite word of move? Time is running out. Hurry. Stay. What word means the opposite of positive? Negative. Your answers are perfect. Keep guessing. Which word is the opposite of permanent? Time is running out. Hurry! Temporary. Amazing job, champs! You're true stars. Let's take on the impossible level. Which option shows the opposite meaning of benevolent? Time is running out. Hurry! Malevolent. You look very smart. Which of the following is the antonym of concur? Disagree. Subscribe for more fun videos. What option is the opposite of melancholy? Joyful. Your answers are perfect. Keep guessing. Tell the opposite of the word obscure. Clear. Quick, what's the opposite of diligent? Time is running out. Hurry! Lazy. Guess the opposite of profound. Shallow. Subscribe to MyCrazyQuiz now. What is the opposite word of inevitable? Your answers are perfect. Keep guessing. Avoidable. Subscribe for more fun videos. Which word is the opposite of tranquil? Noisy. You are doing great! Identify the opposite of the word sparse. Dense. You are doing great! From the options, choose the opposite of vulnerable. Protected. Awesome Quizmaster! You successfully completed all the levels. Comment your score, like and subscribe to My Crazy Quiz